Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm in a trade right now, and you can see that my profit. I'm up 100 and some dollars so far on it. You can see that my total profit is I'm up $1,000 so far on this challenge. But here's the deal. I'm kind of showing you guys exactly why I don't believe in. And I'm sorry, I got several screens right here. That's what I'm looking up. But this is exactly why I don't get into people saying, "Hey, what's your win loss ratio?" I've always thought that was a stupid um, debate because people are so headstrong about win loss ratios. But if you look right here, um, look at my profit. It tells you that my total profit is 989, but I also have this trade running, which has put me over $1,000 so far, and it's running. So as far as profits on my trades, $989 without this. Look at this, and this is still running now. I'm close to 200 on this, 200 right there. You're seeing it running right here. So then you have to add that in, and that puts me at over $1,200 with the profit so far. My loss is only $167, which is this exact trade that I closed out earlier because my entry was poor, and I decided to wait for a better entry, and then I got back in. So basically, this is the same trade. So look, 989 plus this $240 that puts me at $1,250. Okay, so $1,250. But look at over here. When you see right here, you see this, and I say, hey, if it was a win loss ratio, I got a 60-40 win loss ratio. Do you see what I'm saying? It doesn't make sense. My win loss ratio is 60-40, but that's because of the trades that I took right here is showing you, okay, 5 trades were taken, 3 were winners, 2 were losers. So they're looking at how many trades I actually took, not at the actual profit margin. So this is why I never advertise what is your win loss ratio, because all it's going to do is display exactly how many trades was taken, how many of them won, and how many lost. It doesn't take into account how many of these trades that lost or won. Look at this largest winning trade, $840. Look at my largest losing trade, only $130. Look at this next winning trade, 329. Look at this one. The average winning trade is 329. I'm sorry. So you see my point here is that it's not taking into account the winning percentage on the money. It's just taking in the percentage of how many trades were taken, what was the win loss ratio. And right now, you see, I'm in this trade and it's still running, and I'm in a YM trade right here. I would have sent it out to my group, but it's already 1:30 in the morning. I know they're asleep. So, we'll find some more trades for you guys when you wake up and see this video. But this is why never ask me about win loss ratio. It's saying, hey, your win loss is 60% win, 40% losers. But then look at this. 989 of already closed profit, plus you add in this, that puts me at $1,254. And then my only losing amount is 167.50 total of my losses. How is this a 60-40? Do you get what I'm saying? The calculations are off, but I know a lot of people in this business, that's all they care about. What's your win loss ratio? What's your win loss ratio? Now you see why I don't do it. Because, okay, I can tell you it's 60-40, you'd be like, oh, he a terrible trader. But if I show you what my 60% did for me versus my 40% did, you'll see, oh my God, well, he does know what you're talking about. Plus, this does not include the running total right here, because this is closed trades. Closed. I haven't even looked. 320, 315. There you go. See, 300. It's still running right in front of you. This does not even add up to this, because you can see this is still stagnant even though this is running. Once I close this out, then this will add to this, and that'll put me at 1,300. I'm currently on my head is kind of covering the number because it's covering my Apex account, but I'm currently up $1,364 right now. $1,364, about to be 1,400 in a minute. And you're seeing this number right here. Let's keep watching. Let's see if it goes to 400. Because if it does, that'll put me at 1,400 in profit today alone. Okay. Maybe not. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna let this run, the money run, but I ain't gonna let this video run. But you can clearly see, you seen when it was just $50 and now it's 300 and some dollars. Did this move? No. So if I close out this and put it over here, this is gonna put me at maybe a 70-30 win rate. Okay. But It's not accounting for me being up $1,300 so far in profit and running. So please, guys, just don't get so deep into what's your win loss ratio? What's your win loss ratio? He always trying to hide stuff. See, look at this. See, if you see if I just showed you this, nobody will want to deal with me. But when I show you this and this, you'd be like, oh, okay, compared to this. Here's what's already closed. Here's what's currently running. Oh, okay, this brother on fire. You see what I'm saying? And look at this. Look at this percentage. See? See? Look at that. Look at that. Look at these scales right here. See? Profit and loss history. Boom. Profit and loss history accumulated without fees. Boom. Profit and loss history accumulated with fees. Boom. All green. But everybody pays attention to this only. Darn shame, huh? All right, you guys. See you in the next video. supereasycopycat.com or futrix.com. Futtrix.com.